Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Python is a versatile, high-level programming language known for its readability and simplicity. It is widely used for web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and more. This tutorial will cover the basics of programming in Python, including variables, data types, control structures, functions, and basic input/output. Before we start, ensure that Python is installed on your machine. You can download the latest version from the official website, Python Downloads. Follow the installation instructions for your operating system. Open a text editor or an integrated development environment, IDE, like VSCode, PyCharm, or Jupyter Notebook. Create a new file with a .py extension, for example, first_program.py. Type the following code. Save the file and open a terminal or command prompt. Navigate to the directory where the file is saved and run the program using the following command. You should see the output. Congratulations! You've just executed your first Python program. In Python, variables are used to store data. You don't need to declare the data type explicitly, Python infers it dynamically. Python supports various data types, including integers, floats, strings, lists, and dictionaries. Functions in Python allow you to group code into reusable blocks. This tutorial covers the basics of Python programming, introducing you to variables, data types, control structures, functions, and basic input/output. As you continue your Python journey, explore more advanced topics like object-oriented programming, libraries, and frameworks to broaden your skills. Happy coding! ChatGPT